This short video will explain the measurement of the internal walls for the approximate quantities. Internal walls will be measured as a metre squared item. So this will be the overall length of the internal walls as indicated by blue on the plan times the height. So first of all, let's focus on the height of those internal walls. We'll find this information on section BB. If we look at section BB, you can see that I've clearly indicated the height of these internal walls. They sit on the top of the screed and constructed to the underside of the truss rafters. This measurement is not annotated on the drawing, so we're going to have to do an intermediate calculation in our waist column. If we look at the section, we can see that we have annotated the height from DPC to the top of the composite wall. So we'll start with that measurement and then add for the height of the cavity closer. Remember, use 75mm and that will allow for the mortar joint, and then allow for the wall plate. If we look here, we can see that we have an over measure, and therefore we need to deduct from our calculation the height of the screed. So we've therefore established the height of our internal walls. So going back to the plan, we're going to use measuring overall and deducting. So establish the length. You can establish the total length of these walls in the waist column, measuring across all the openings. And once we have established our internal wall length, we can multiply that by the height to get our wall area. We then need to make an adjustment for the openings. So allow for the doors. The widths can be taken from the drawing and assume a height of 1981mm. Look carefully at the drawing, and we can also see we have a hatch here. So you need to deduct for this hatch. The width could be taken from the plan and assume a height of 1000mm.